welcome back to this video. In today's video, I will show you on how to enable dark mode on Edge browser with just your mobile phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following into this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to open up your Edge browser. So I'm going to simply click on my Edge browser right here. Just like so. Having opened up your Edge browser, next thing you need to do is to simply click on this three slider from the bottom right here. So you click on that, take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on settings right here. Just like so. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply navigate to appearance right here. Open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to switch from system default to dark. You just simply click on dark, and in a few seconds, everything is going to be turned into dark mode on your Edge browser. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to enable dark mode on Edge browser with just your mobile phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.